What's up, guys? Today I will show you how to build a bridge, a break, the drop. So the main thing is like we're gonna talk about this section here, like not the start from the track. It's like the first break where the track is building itself up, and here is the drop. So I just put a loop on this section, which I wanna show you today. Of course, I'm gonna make some more videos about bridges and breaks with different tracks, but today I will show you on this one here. I just used my own sample loops. You see, you can read here. So the first three tracks here is the kick. We got a kick here. Oh no, it's a clap, but it's for the kick. You see? So then we got here my theme. I'm using a top for the theme of the track. So let's see. And also I just cut here from the top loop only the sequence. So now we got here the hi-hats. We got here also a hi-hat. So open one, a right, hi-hat, open hi-hat, and the same here. Okay. I'm gonna start the break at 41, so that means like 1 minute 13. I put first, okay, we got a equalizer here on it. The low frequencies, I'm gonna cut them off from here for sure. So that means I'm gonna use the touch. I see the line, mark it here, same here, open equalizer, pow, 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 touch, now latching. So there is a line, mark it here as well. So the first thing I can do is I can take off the kick completely, but I will fade it out with the equalizer. Just fade out the low frequencies. See? So and bring them back here. Okay, that's the first thing. So that means kick is going out. We're gonna make some space for the break. Do I let the clip inside? I'm gonna fit it all also with the volume. Pop, pop, pop. Okay, next one. Same here, open the equalizer, you see, touch it, bring it, bing, 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 bing. So, no, but this one, we open it slowly. You see? You see? Nice one. Just bring some kick and bass inside again. Jawohl, jawohl. This one here I'm gonna fade out with the volume as well, because put as well the reverb on it. Touch to see the line in the automation. There you go. Put it there. Put it up. So he comes back. Slowly he comes back. He goes up with the reverb and comes back and getting clearly. And then for the bang! There's no reverb anymore. Bang! Okay, this one I'm gonna also pull down with the volume. Open the hi-hat, the open hi-hat. Nice one, nice one. You see, just put the echo on it also as well. It's a good idea. There you go, man. There you go. You see, It's really quick and really fast to make a bridge, like a break like that. It's simple as fuck. Sorry guys. But it's simple. It's really simple. Don't fuck your head with things like, oh, I need there a little bit, I need there a little bit. And just keep it minimal and decent, and you see what's coming around. The rest should make the DJ. Just give the DJ the opportunity also to try things in the bridge, in the break, and just put on the mixer like the reverb himself or something like that. Just don't put too much inside. It's okay how it is like that right now. Just bring back the clap as well. It's also nice. You can also take out the hi-hat. It's also no problem. Let's check. Let's try. There you go. There you go. As I said, I'm gonna make some more videos about bridges and breaks and different styles and other tracks also as well, but let's keep it simple, guys. Let's keep it simple.